Hi, it's me, Edward Avila.
Hi, I'm Eddie.
This is VIEW92, my brand. This brand would not have started without you guys. VIEW92, first two products, a lip toner and a lip milk. This one is more like a toner that kind of, it's more hydrating. For day to day, like right in the morning, I use just this much. And it spreads like really thin. It's not sticky because it's more like a skincare. I look at it as skincare, I don't call it makeup.
Right.
Lip care. This one I recommend.
A lip milk, that's what it looked like. Oh, that looks good.
There's shea butter, there's argan oil in there, propolis extract.
Which
is derived from honey, right?
It is.
I feel so.
Come through. Proud of its own products.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That was so bad on you.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
Bye. See you.
Everybody, see you.
You.